With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so our question is, two pendulums differ in length by 22 cm. They oscillate at the same place so that one of them makes 30 oscillations and the other makes 36 oscillations during the same time. The length of the pendulum are. Okay, so in the given question we have been given that the difference in the length of the two pendulum is 22 cm and they oscillate at the same place so that one of them is making 30 oscillations and the other is making 36 oscillations in the same interval of time. Now we have to find what will be the length of these pendulums. Okay, now let us suppose the length of the pendulums are L1 and L2. So let length of pendulum are L1 and L2. So the difference of the lengths are given to us is 22 centimeter. So L1 minus L2 is our 22 centimeter. Let us suppose this is our equation number 1. Now in the given question we have been given that they are making 30 oscillations and the other one is making 36 oscillation during the same interval of time. That means we have been given the angular frequencies of the two pendulum. So omega 1 is 30 and omega 2 is 36. Omega 1 is 30 and omega 2 is 36. Now as we know that the time period for the pendulum is given as 2 pi under root of L by G. So from here what we can say that the time period for the pendulum 1 divided by time period for the pendulum 2 will come out as under root of L1 divided by L2. Now we also know that the time period is given as 2 pi by omega. Correct? So from here the time period for the first pendulum divided by time period for the second pendulum will come out as angular frequency for the second divided by angular frequency for the first. Now comparing equation number 2 and equation number 3, what we get is omega 2 divided by omega 1 will be equals to under root of L1 upon L2. Now omega 2 and omega 1 are given to us as 36 and 30 will be equals to under root of L1 upon L2. Now 36 cancels the 30 as 5. Correct. Now so squaring both sides we get 36 upon 25 will be equals to L1 upon L2. Now the equation number 1 shows the relation between the L1 and L2 as L1 will be equals to 22 plus L2. So put L1 36 upon 25 will be equals to 22 plus L2 divided by L2. So from here our L2 will come out as 50 centimeter and L1 will come out as 72 centimeters. Correct. Now we have got the length of the pendulums. Now checking out from the options, our option number 1 is the correct option. Correct. 72 and 50. Okay. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.